Alright guys, today we're going to be making a real simple stir fry, and if you do not want to cut up all these vegetables, you can just buy frozen vegetables, but this is pretty simple. What I use is 3 whole carrots, alright, 3 sticks of celery, we're going to do 2 cloves of garlic, we have 1 red pepper, and half of a red onion, alright. So we just chop all that up, we're going to put it in here. Okay, so we're going to be heating up 2 tablespoons of butter. This is on medium heat. And also, I usually eat this with rice, but today we're going to try these noodles. These are called Japanese udon noodles. And so all I did for these, a couple cups of water. You got a pack in there. We bring it to a boil, and then we put it on low, and we're going to let those sit for about 13 minutes. Okay, so the butter's melted. We're going to add our garlic, and then we're going to take our vegetables, we're going to add it to this butter, and this is going to sit here for about 3 minutes. We're going to mix it up. We're also going to add these snap peas. I'm just going to do about half the bag. And then what we're going to do is take 1 pound of ground beef. We're going to put it in here, and it's going to cook for probably about 10 minutes. You just want to brown it, get everything going. So we added the beef, and we're mixing it all in. We're going to let this sit for a while until it's brown. Alright, this is optional, but we're going to put some ground ginger. Alright, and then we're going to add a little pinch of salt. Alright, so we have our beef and our vegetables cooked. Pretty much what you want to look for is there not to be too much liquid. Alright, we let this cook for about 12-13 minutes. We're going to add our noodles. Alright, this is the final product. You can add some soy sauce, you can add some Sriracha. That's it guys, make some gains.